Hey everyone, and welcome to part 2 of our traveling shoes video here from Disney's California Adventure. We're back in the park after lunch. You can see there's the Grand Californian over there. Just had lunch there at an amazing Craftsman Grill lunch. And now we're gonna enjoy the second half of the day. We're gonna ride Incredicoaster. We're gonna ride those web slingers. And hopefully, today's the first day of the holiday festival, so we're hoping to see the holiday parade. But we may need the rain to lighten up a little bit. As you can see, I got my rain jacket on. It's a little bit crazy. But you can hear there's Christmas music being played. And yeah, we're having a great day. Right now, we have a lightning lane for Incredicoaster, and it's currently open and running because the rain lightened up. So we're headed straight there at the Pixar Pier, and we're gonna hopefully ride Incredicoaster. Will be my first time ever riding, so looking forward to that. Let's do it. Coming up to meet Carl. He's got his little cane with the tennis balls there. It's gonna be awesome. But there's no photo pass. We're gonna have to take our own photo here with him. Cheeseburger. What? Just met Carl from Up. I love that movie. I've never met Carl before, so that was a really cool experience for me. Oh, I can see the Incredicoaster's running. We're headed over there right now, and we're gonna have a fantastic ride at the Pixar Pier. It is a wet day here at the Pixar Pier, but we're gonna still make the most of it. Luckily my camera's waterproof, so I can film in the rain. Here we go.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
There we go. We're in the queue now. The Incredicoaster. You can see the view from here. There's the station. And we'll load up here in a second. Oh, there they are. Loading up.
No, we're happy that everyone can have a taste of shoes.
You're wrong, Dad. Jack can't ride. He's small. For your safety, make sure you pull down your shoulders.
Okay, we got the back, row 11 and 12.
Keep your head firmly against
I'm in the next one, they're loading up.
Seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside at all times.
We're gonna be taking off to the Incredicoaster soon. Can't wait. And I just got off the Incredicoaster. It was incredible. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. We did the lightning lane. It was a really short wait, maybe 5-10 minutes with the lightning lane, so we definitely recommend that. We sat in the rear car, which was awesome. There was like 3 booths, a bunch of hills, a loop, all the little tunnels that you see of it. There's little incredible scenes as you go through all those little tunnels. And then popped up the end, got a cool photo from the ride. And I really kind of want to do it again. We'll see if we have time today. I doubt we will, but if we do have time, we can work it in. I may go just wait in the standby line and do it again. We'll see. We'll see. But I loved it. Now we've got another lightning lane for Spider-Man, the little web slingers thing. So we're gonna go do that next. So we're walking over to the Marvel world to do the Spider-Man, and maybe we'll stop off and stop in a shop or something on the way. But who knows? On our way. This is cool. We're right here near the San Francisco. We've got the pins going on. Got all kinds of pins. Let's see if I can find a couple I like. I like the Get Your Groot On. Need a Lift with Mater. That's cool. I like the I Am Groot as well. I'm a big Groot fan. Oh, look at this. Hades Pain and Panic. I like that too. Oh, look at this. Max from that's a Goofy movie. Cool. Oh, look, BB-8. R2-D2. They have some really cool pins on this cart. Avengers Campus. Spider-Man. Entrance around the side or on the front, but we'll be in there soon. Web slingers. Here we go. Scanning my Groot pin on my Spider-Man, Marvel Man today. Doo-doo-doo. Worldwide Engineering Brigade. Watch out for the scary spider robot.
Come on in while we prep for your test drive on the
Up there on the
Slinger.
screen.
We'll be starting in just a few moments.
We'll be starting soon.
So, I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Star Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have
That can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. We should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got
Check it out. Glasses. Yeah, we need glasses. Got my glasses.
You remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rim.
So we're going down there. Eventually. That's where we came from. For two. We got a two. We got a two coming up. There goes the sling cars. Web slinger cars. Here we are in the car. Welcome. I got my nerdy glasses on.
Activating motion tracking.
Here we go.
Assigning individualized color profiles.
Now. There's our final score. We're getting ready to go. I was blue. I got 254. I was better than my score the last time. No improvement. Look, there's a spider. Put your glasses away. And we're back here at Web Suppliers. Alright, so now on the main street here, I think it's called Buena Vista Street, at the main entrance of California Adventure. Gonna walk around here for a little while, maybe an hour or so, check out the shops, see what kind of cool merch and Christmas we can find. And then, because next up, at our next time, which is in about 45 minutes, gonna snag a Monsters Inc. lightning lane, and then head over there. Look, there's the Walt Disney, and it looks like a partner statue. Walt Disney cartoons. And then there's the palm trees and the Christmas trees right behind there.
Oh, looks like Chris is it. Get his picture taken with Walt and his favorite mouse. The house that Mouse built. Cha-ching!
Storytellers, we're just getting started. Oh, they got the nice poinsettias here. And the Christmas tree. You plug it in.
So what?
This is cool. You can see all the individual things under the tree and the ornaments. There's a little Mickey trolley, angel, candy cane. Look at that, a little bell right there. Mickey and Minnie, snowman. Another bell. Oh, look, an airplane. Oh, check it out under there. There's Mickey Mouse with his cart, California or bust. That's cool. Okay, we made it into one of the main shops here. Disneyland, the original. It's pretty cool. All this merch. I've seen a lot of people with the black Disneyland sweatshirt. I'm thinking, oh look, Halloween. I've been thinking I need a sweatshirt because it's a little chilly today. I'm just wearing this t-shirt. I do like this t-shirt. It's Christmas. But I think I might need a new t-shirt. Or sweatshirt, I mean long sleeve. It's kind of chilly out today. We still got a long way to go. Disneyland. Disneyland. There's a hoodie. This is cool. Got the big Christmas display here, everywhere. Well, some of this stuff is the same as what they have at Disney World in some of our other videos. But like, ooh, look at this fleece. I'm not getting this, but it is cool. Neat looking. I like the tree there, the tinsel tree. Oh, there's that shirt, the Fab Five. Like that. And then the Mickey Mouse Santa sweatshirt. I'm a fan of that. I actually kind of like this too. It's a sweatshirt, which would be perfect for today. I don't know if I could wear it ever again. I could around Florida too. It gets cold in December, but I kind of want something that's Disneyland specific. Like this is kind of neat. It's a zip up, but I like the Argyle Disneyland on it. If I can find one that's not a zip up, maybe. And now we're in the next part of the store, the front part, closest to the main entrance. We'll see what we can find in here. So we got the Holiday Magic. That's what we were looking at before. Oh, look at this. They've got this Argyle green here. I don't know if this is for chicks. It's with the chick stuff. I think it is, but I do like it, regardless. We've got a bunch of cool Christmas stuff up here. Look at this with the Fab Five. And it's like the mini ears that you can wear. It's a wreath or a Mickey wreath with the Fab Five. Look at this, it plays Jingle Bells. Oh, you can twist it and it plays. That's kind of cool. I don't know what's in here. It's like chocolates, peppermint bark, and it plays music. I like that. Oh, look at these little pins. There's an Olaf Nutcracker pin and a Stitch Nutcracker pin. Those are crazy. Oh, you have to pay. You buy a gift card for $125, and then you also get that pin. Interesting. Maybe I should do that if I'm spending money here anyway. That'd be interesting maybe to do. And they've got the hoodie, the Mickey hoodie, the merriest place on earth sweatshirt again. Cool. So I was just in the Five and Dime shop right here by Oswald. And look, this cool trolley car. It's decorated for Christmas. I think there's another shop right over here. I'm gonna check this one out too, the Kingswell shop. Let's see what's going on in here. There it is. I'll pop in there. I'm trying to find, like I said, I'm trying to find a sweatshirt for today. There's the Kingswell shop. Look at this. We got Christmas and Halloween mixed together. Oh. They sell some old Halloween stuff around here. This shop's really huge too. Can't wait to see everything in here. This is kind of neat. They have all this Disneyland 70s stuff here. There's the Vault collection, some cool plates, water bottles, Disneyland towels, throws, ornaments. These 70th ornaments are pretty neat for the tree. And then over here they've got some pillows, a light up lantern. That's kind of neat. Yeah, this is awesome. Another lantern right there. See, it's still kind of gray and rainy. But I'm gonna check out this shop over here maybe and see if it's got some goodness, good stuff in here. Oh, that popcorn smells good from that booth. It smells really good. Oh, this looks like it might be a female shop. Oh, yep. It is a girl shop. It's still kind of cool, but it's got girl stuff in it. Well, I successfully found the sweatshirt for me. It is a Spirit jersey, but it's got the Disneyland on here. They have these at Disney World as well, but it says Disney World. This is Disneyland on the back too, and I am going to a couple Christmas parties in Florida later this month, one at Hollywood Studios and one at Magic Kingdom, so I can wear this to those as well, because it's usually a little bit cooler in the evenings in Florida these days. Now that I've got my sweatshirt, it is time to go grab a snack. So what I saw a really good looking Mickey Mouse gingerbread cookie. And it's time to kick off the holiday festival season the right way and go snag that gingerbread. So just down here, right near the Little Mermaid. So just a couple minute walk. Gingerbread cookie is secured. Now I gotta go find a place to sit and enjoy the cookie. Let's go. All right, so here we got our gingerbread cookie. Get this unwrapped.
Wait, where'd you get that gingerbread cookies from? Where'd you get it from?
That booth near Little Mermaid.
Here at California Grill? Or California Adventure?
Yep, at California Grill. Here's the Mickey Mouse gingerbread. I'm gonna tear this ear off. I'm an ear guy. And then let's give this a try. Smells good. It's 100%. 10 out of 10. But I love gingerbread, so this is my first gingerbread of the Christmas. Love it. Okay, it's 3:30 now. We're done with our snack. And gonna start moving toward Monsters Inc. But check out what's going on over here on the street. Maybe check out Mickey's PhilharMagic, go in a couple of the shops. Look at that, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is there for the kiddos. There's another shop right here that we missed. Maybe we'll go in a couple shops, check off the page. I want to check out the off the page as well. So we'll do that. And the PhilharMagic on our way to the Monsters Inc. We got about a half hour till our lightning lane, so we're just gonna relax and have some fun. So this is all the holiday stuff in here, but what I really like about this store is that there's no one in it. So you can actually look at all the holiday stuff without having to crawl over people. This is cool. What is this? Christmas gummy wreaths inside a little stocking. They have a Mickey and a Minnie one. That's kind of a fun thing for like a stocking stuffer. That's pretty fun. There's the shoulder Christmas Gus Gus. Oh, look at this. It's a Merry Christmas pin or magnet. It's a magnet and they sled along there. That's cool. Merry Christmas. Oh, cool. The shirt with the Christmas Fab 5. Oh, they got the peppermint stuff going on over here. Peppermint fleece, peppermint skirt for the child, and a nice sweatshirt with the lounge fly. Disneyland. California Adventure. Look, it's Woody, Buzz, and Rex. We saw Rex yesterday out at the Pixar Pier, and that was cool. Merry and bright. That's us today. Well, it may not be bright outside, but it's bright inside. I think that was deep. I don't know. I think we're gonna go check out off the page now. I want to see if there's something going on there. I also think there's Crush's Turtle Talk goes on around here somewhere. Oh, there it is at the animation studio up there. It says that it's scrolling across the billboard there. Animation Academy and talk with a sea turtle. Cool. Here we go into off the page. Look at this. It's Beast, Cruella de Vil. Look at Santa Mickey, $246.99 framed. That is cool. It would be neat as like a Christmas decoration. I got all the fun statues. Olaf, Stitch, Mickey and Minnie, Pluto. Those are kind of cool, those little statues. I like this too. Santa Mickey. Pluto is the reindeer. Very fun. This is cool. We just wandered in here. They usually have it from the street, but this is the where they have the Animation Academy right here. Anna and Elsa, Sorcerer's Workshop, and Turtle Talk with Crush. Just over there, they got people meeting Minnie Mouse. And I love the screens. They're playing different songs, and it's fun. It's really cool in here. I love all these screens with different scenes from the movie. And it's Coco right now, which is really fun. Love it. Hollywood Studios and Monsters Inc. is right back through there, which is where we're headed. You can see they've got the Christmas decorations up, and looks like over there they've got some kind of Festival of the Holidays thing. We'll have to go check that out. Look at this, they've got a little photo booth, Festival of the Holidays, Mickey Mouse, some gingerbread. I want to go over to that studio over there and see what's going on. Hey, it's the Hollywood Lounge. Ice cold refreshment. Oh, and here's what they got. Festival of Holidays, so a stage. There's some kind of show in here. It's cool. Here's the Festival of the Holidays booth, and you can see all the little booths in here. Festival marketplaces. We're all along that main strip from Buena Vista Street all the way over to Paradise Gardens Park and Pixar Pier. They also got participating locations, so different places that are just normally here are also participating in the festival and giving out or selling special festival food. That's pretty fun. Today's the first day. And then here's a different some of the different entertainment options that they have. I think one thing I saw that looks like really cool, I wonder if they have it on here. Now this is like the live music. Oh, here we go. So right here, they're gonna have the Three Caballeros Christmas, and Coco, Miguel's gonna do a show right there. And then they also have the Viva Navidad street party and the Mickey's Happy Holidays parade, but those didn't happen today because of the rain, which stinks. But that's okay. We're getting to do some of it. There's Monsters Inc. All the doors. Heading through the line. There we go. That's the ride in there. Monstropolis. We're almost there. Here we go.
Oh, googly bear!
He made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me up.
We gotta get you home. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, though?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo.
They'll never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
Almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Almost there, kiddo. 2319.
Oh dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Pooh. Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep time.
Prepare for decontamination.
Observation of the perimeter, we quickly measured the situation status to
Hey, Roz has a hat on. Christmas hat. Well, Monsters Inc. was such a fun ride. It's just a chill ride. Love that you just like takes you through the story of Monsters Inc. And they did a really good job with it. It just feels happy and fun to be on that ride. And with the Lightning Lane, we only waited about 5 minutes to get on, which was awesome. Normally it's about 30. But just outside, there's the Monsters Inc. right there where we just exited. And then just outside, they have this cool Monsters shop, indoor-outdoor shop with some Scream zippers, some Sulley looking bag thing, some Sulley plushes, and it's fun. All right, so now that we're just finished that, I think we're gonna take a short little break back at the hotel and then come back. We got a couple lightning lanes in a little while. Right now it's only 4:20, and our next lightning lane I think is at like 7. So we're gonna just go walk back, chill at the hotel for a little while, maybe grab a snack, and then come back, do the nighttime California adventure with a couple of lightning lanes, and we'll see the Christmas lights and hopefully see the world of color happiness. Alrighty, we are back at California Adventure and it is night. You can see the beautiful lights out.
Look at Mickey.
We got Mickey Mouse over there and Incredicoaster. That's where we're going. We got a nighttime Incredicoaster lightning lane. It gets kind of dark kind of early now, but it is 6:41. It's pitch black out, and we're gonna head over there. We have our lightning lane ends at 7:10, so we got plenty of time. Heading over to Pixar Pier, gonna hop on Incredicoaster here at night. Rode it during the day, now we're riding at night. And then we're gonna go check out Soarin', and I think that's gonna cap off the night with Soarin', because we have another long day tomorrow going to Disneyland, which there'll be more videos coming out. At least one, if not 2 Disneyland videos. And they're doing Christmas there too. But loving the lights. Loving the boardwalk kind of vibe up over here at Pixar. And we're gonna be at Incredicoaster soon. Here we are, Incredicoaster. Look, Jack. It's got cookie num nums. Price. Smells good. We're gonna follow this gaggle of people into the lightning lane. I don't know what these guys are doing, but we're heading in here. Thanks. Oh, we got some tunes going. I'm really looking forward to doing this at night. The lights are awesome. Holy cow, it started raining like crazy when we got on the ride. So we were like getting pelted with rain the whole time. It was hilarious. I am now soaked. Photos are this way. People are walking up the exit.
I did not expect that.
Oh my gosh, look at this line of people. I don't know how we're gonna get our photo, but we gotta get in there. We're over there. All right, the damage is done. It's raining really hard. Look at this. I don't know if you can see the puddles.
Puddles.
But we're gonna go to the left here. We gotta head to Soarin', but I wanna walk through the lights a little bit. It's basically the same distance either way. But I love the boardwalk. I wanted to get some of this on camera. The lights. Midway Mania. It is cool. Just feels like an old, like Coney Island type of feel. It's nice. There's the candy shop, sweet stuff. We got the old swings and everything around here. There's the coaster. There's the inside out. Doesn't look like they're running it right now. The whirlwind. Emotional whirlwind. But I like the theming of it. It's pretty neat looking. Over here. There's the Bayside Brews. And the swings are right up there. Gonna find some shelter for a minute. It's a cool shot of the Ferris wheel right here, from here. Looks like a lot of people are lined up for this food booth for the festival. Holiday duets. Oh, this is the mac and cheese booth. That's why everyone wants the mac and cheese. And they have two types of mac and cheese, so you can get the duet, which is a plate with both types of mac and cheese. That's why it's holiday duets.
Pastor and Google.
It's kind of cool in the distance. You can see the Guardians tower up there lit up. There's a little holiday shop. We're jamming right here, man. We got like festival music going. They were not playing this music earlier. Little mermaids decorated now with blue lights right here, which is nice. And yeah, now we're heading to Soarin', so we're gonna have to walk back through this Grizzly Peak back here area to get over to Soarin', which is down this path back towards the front of the park. Christmas! It's a rainy Christmas. Oh, this one's lights aren't on. Weird. This one is. Now they switched to wreaths. Or mistletoe. Got some more Christmas going on here. Almost to Soarin'. It's just gonna be up here on the left. Grizzly Peak Airfield. We're gonna pop on Soarin'. Here we are, Grizzly Peak, soaring around the world. It's in this big building here, this hangar looking thing. Made it into the hangar here in Soarin'. pretty cool. The California Aviators Wings of Fame. We did do the lightning lane here, so hopefully it's a short wait for us. Well, just hopped off Soarin', and with that, gonna call it a night. What a wonderful, drizzly, rainy day here at California Adventure. And just had a great day. We rode all the rides, had some amazing food, and just loved it. Tomorrow we're doing Disneyland, so gonna go get ready for that. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more great content. Leave a comment, let me know what your favorite thing about California Adventure is. Until next time.